As we begin our research unit, I want to spend a few minutes speaking about credible research sources and places to find them within Cali College. Google's great for the daily, hey, what do I need to know here? But as we get into college level writing, academic writing, we are expected to read and incorporate credible sources from experts in the field in which we are studying. And so Google doesn't really provide that. What does is the Cowley College Library. So if you log into Blackboard and you choose the institution page, scroll to the bottom, you find two helpful links. This Wren Memorial Library link is the database passwords. Your username and password for Blackboard are not the username and password for the databases. So it would be very wise to save this to your computer so that you can access it quickly. EBSCO and Credo will probably be the two that you use most often within this particular research paper. And so those are I'm going to show you EBSCO first, and in another tutorial I will show you Credo and some of the interesting things you can do with it. So notice the password for EBSCO is jungle. That's the username, sorry. Ren, our library name, exclamation point 23 is our password. So if we click here on Wren Memorial Library and we come down here to online resources, we can view the online resources. You'll notice it does list books. There's an online card catalog for print books, yearbooks, but really what we're interested in are the database and online resources. EBSCO being the first that we will look at. I'm going to sign in. It asks for the name of my college. Then it asks for the username, which we know is Jungle. And then the password, which was oops, RENN, exclamation point 23. You can opt to have that saved, and that's a good thing. So we go to EBSCO. There are a list of databases that we can choose. I generally just choose all of them and continue so that it gives me a broader range of search sources. Before I go searching, I'm going to do two things. I want full text articles so that I don't have to track them down, and I want them to be peer reviewed. Peer review means that knowledgeable experts in that field have looked at this material and said, yes, this is valid. And that is what we want so that we can eliminate things that are outside of credible sources. So we choose a topic, and perhaps I'll choose cats. One of mine is crying at the door currently. And it pulls up a list of things, of articles that we can look at. I'm going to choose this one not because it would apply to what I was doing, possibly, but so that I can show you something. PDF full text, you can download and save. If you click on HTML full text, there's your title. Let me see if I'm missing something. Yep, okay. If I minimize my screen size, I can show you more things. There is a listen feature within the documents. Also, if you want a PDF read to you, Microsoft Edge has a host of voices that do well at that. I suggest if it's an article you think you might use, save a copy to your computer, create a folder, SA2 research documents. And then within your folder as well, before you click out of this particular article, click the button Cite. You'll need to find the appropriate citation format, and for us, that is MLA 9th edition. APA is for the sciences. We are in the humanities, so we use MLA 9th edition. So this is our works cited entry if we use this particular piece. And so if you highlight all of that, copy it, and then open Word, paste it there. You've got the entry already done. The reason I suggest doing this is because after many years of postgraduate postgraduate work, or graduate level work, sorry. The thing that wearies me the most at the end of writing a paper is putting together the works cited page. So if I just copy and paste all of the citations into a document, title it Works Cited, save it, then when I am finishing my paper, I can go through and eliminate the ones I did not use, organize the ones I have, which we'll talk about later, and then it's done. And so it is such a mental relief to have that done. So that is where we typically find our sources, is in EBSCO for this particular research paper. In the next video, I'll take you on a brief tutorial of Credo and show you how it can help you refine your topic.